Convergent modeling in NX11 opens up many new and exciting applications within the design process. Here you will see an example of where we can use convergent modeling and also topology optimization to generate a new design that we can 3D print. What you can see here is our original design, which was done using typical modeling techniques. Here is our new design that was developed using topology optimization. As you can see, it's very different from the original part, although the key connection points have still been maintained. There are 3 other location points that weren't included in the topology optimization, but no matter, with a combination of synchronous modeling and convergent modeling technology, we can add these into our new convergent body. First of all, we shall use the delete face command in synchronous to isolate the 3 connection points. We'll just move the faces of these connection points to make sure that they stand proud of the convergent body. And then using convergent modeling technology, we can subtract directly from the faceted geometry these 3 connection points. And here you can see how we've now been able to complete our design using synchronous and convergent modeling technology. Manufacturing this component using traditional manufacturing techniques could prove tricky and costly. However, with NX11 you're now provided with a print to 3D command that allows you to take advantage of the new and modern additive manufacturing techniques.